How to unblock everything on a school Chromebook. First things first is pull up your school Chromebook web browser and head directly to Google Docs. And from here, just choose on our first result that says docs.google.com. Close the first tab. Now, once you have successfully pulled up your Google Docs, just click on blank document or just simply create a new blank document. And from here, create a new tab. Now, let's say for example, you wanted to unblock Roblox. So just type in Roblox. Then what you need from here is the two links. You'll need the first link and the login link. Now what you want to do is just right click on Roblox and click on copy link address. Now once you have copied the link address, go back to your Google Docs and then go to insert. Just click on got it in this one. Now click on insert and then you have to find insert link. Here it is. Now you will have two fields in this one, which is going to be the text and search or paste link. Now go down to search or paste link and paste the copied link from Roblox and just simply click on apply. Now once you have applied it, just click on enter for you to go down directly and go back to the main page and right click on the login page again. Click on copy link address, go back to your Google Docs, same drill, insert and link. Now paste the link here, click on apply. Now what you need from here is just click on file and download via PDF document. Now once you've downloaded this link, all you have to do is just to click on either of these links and you have successfully unblocked Roblox or any link that you have copied from the Google Docs to Google. So that's how you unblock everything on a school Chromebook.